Hi guys, I want to talk briefly about your second comprehensive review quiz. It's going to be the same format as the first one. You'll have 1 hour to do 50 multiple choice questions. Each question is going to have 4 choices. And once again, make sure that you find a quiet place to do this quiz alone with no assistance. Don't phone a friend. Don't look it up on the internet. Don't Google it. Just, I need to know, and you need to know, once again, what you know, so you can really get a firm grip on what areas you need to focus on over the next month to prepare for your AP exam. Topics for this one are going to be market power. Make sure you understand what gives a firm market power. We're going to be looking at firms that are perfectly competitive. We're going to be looking at monopoly firms and monopolistically competitive firms. So make sure you understand what those graphs look like and what the relationship is between output and price and cost and all of those. Make sure you understand the concept of game theory. You may not have to actually analyze the payoff matrix, but you're going to need to understand the theory or the reason that we even have a game theory and what it's used for. You're going to get a lot of questions on cost curves. So you're going to need to be very familiar with the idea that the marginal cost curve intersects both the average variable cost and the average total cost curve at their minimum point. And why that is, because you're going to get a lot of questions around that. So the marginal cost, average total cost, average variable cost, the relationship between output and price, marginal revenue, and a different type of firms, monopolistically competitive and perfectly competitive firms. What is the relationship between marginal revenue, marginal cost, price, average revenue? You're going to be very clear on at what point a firm will shut down and at what point a firm will operate in the short run and in the long run. You're going to need to know the difference between accounting profit and economic profit. So those are the topics that are going to be on this second comprehensive review quiz. And once again, try not to wait until the weekend. Unless you really have time on the weekend. But if you know you're going to be doing something over the weekend, I know this is a sort of a holiday week, so make sure that you plan this out and that you don't get caught at the end and not really have time to do this, okay? Good luck.